Here's Renata. Say hi.
Hi.
We just received this parcel and I don't know what's inside. So yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. I don't know what. Yep. I don't know what she ordered, so we'll see.
You know what is this?
No.
What?
Oh yeah, because it's double this way, because I ordered much more. Food containers.
From where? What brand?
Amazon Basic.
Amazon Basic.
Yeah.
Really?
Like this.
Yeah.
I want to buy a long time ago this. You know what is it?
Yep. It's the full storage container for the fridge, or you can use it anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Yeah.
Very cool.
So guys, this is what exactly you will receive if you order
So I think it's very good quality.
very good quality, yeah?
I think.
If they actually leak or not, we're gonna do the leak test. 1 second. This one here.
This is enough.
Yeah.
Ready? It's perfect. I
Perfect,
can say
yeah.
don't leak at all.
So Amazon is right. So I mean, yeah, it doesn't leak at all. Yeah, because it's. Which is true, yeah, it's not leaking.
Even if I open
One clip,
side,
yeah.
still not, so it's very good.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
It's not leaking at all. Yeah. Alright.